What's going on, guys? HowToAdvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to lose weight fast, 3 simple steps, based on science. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to learn these techniques and be on your way to applying them. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Now let's get into the video. Here are some weight loss strategies that use healthy eating, potentially lower carbs, and aim to lessen your appetite. Result in rapid weight loss. At the same time, improve your metabolic health. 1. Reduce your intake of refined carbohydrates. Reducing your intake of sugars and starches, or carbs, can help you lose weight by curbing your appetite, lowering your insulin levels, and lowering your insulin levels. However, the long-term effects of a low-carb diet are unknown. A lower-calorie diet may be more sustainable. 2. Eat protein, fat, and vegetables. Make each meal with a protein source, a healthy fat source, a complex carb source, and vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are a great way to add color to a meal while providing few calories and a lot of nutrients. 3. Move your body. Resistance training, such as weightlifting, is an excellent way to lose weight. Cardio workouts are also effective if this is not possible. Choose what is long-term for you. Okay, so what about calories and portion control? Calorie counting is not usually required to lose weight on a low-carb diet. However, calorie counting may be beneficial if you are not losing weight or are on a low-calorie diet. That's all. Thank you for watching the entire video. Good luck and stay tuned.